Rosemary is a beautiful Mediterranean herb, popularized for its multiple health benefits and grown globally on evergreen bushes. It has a pine-like scent, giving your favorite dish an inviting aroma and unforgettable flavor. Here are 10 proven health benefits of rosemary. 1. It boosts mental performance. Studies have proven that even just the smell of rosemary improves mental performance, which is why eating it regularly will boost your brain power. It particularly targets cognitive performance and memory retention, making it a good idea to throw into salads, soups, oils and meat dishes before your next big test. 2. It is great for eye health. Rosemary contains a good percentage of vitamin A, meeting 97% of your daily dose per 100 grams. The more you have it, the better you'll be supporting good eye health, as vitamin A helps to protect your eyes from night blindness, cataracts and macular degeneration. 3. It powers up your immune system. Containing vitamin C, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic compounds means that rosemary is one of your best allies in the war against colds and flu. It contains 36% of pure vitamin C, which is essential in maintaining the strength of your immune system. 4. It is excellent for circulation. Healthy blood circulation requires the help of iron and antioxidants, both of which are tucked into each fragrant rosemary leaf. Iron helps to boost the amount of oxygen in your bloodstream, delivering higher quality blood to your vital organs, and antioxidants help to eliminate toxins and keep arteries protected against free radical damage. 5. It supports strong bones. Calcium, as we know, keeps our skeletal system strong and free from inflammation, and rosemary offers a decent dose of this essential mineral in every bite. It offers 31% of the recommended daily amount of calcium, which means that each teaspoon will get you closer to stronger, healthier bones. 6. It prevents hearing loss. Rosemary contains carnosol, carnosic acid and rosmaric acid, all of which have been proven to reduce the proliferation that causes many cases of hearing loss. This means that eating rosemary more frequently will serve as a proactive way to combat age-related hearing loss. 7. It is full of B vitamins. Folates, pantothenic and riboflavin are some of the complex B vitamins that rosemary contains, which help your body to convert food into fuel, prevents memory loss, cure headaches and has even been proven to prevent birth defects. It is particularly high in vitamin B6, which helps to regulate your body clock and reduce inflammation. 8. It helps to relieve tension. Containing a decent dose of magnesium means that rosemary is a great herb for anti-stress support, helping to relax muscles, encourage deeper sleep and overcome fatigue. 9. It balances body fluids. The rich source of potassium that rosemary offers helps to balance fluid and electrolyte levels in the body, which in turn can prevent heart disease, strokes and excess inflammation. It helps to calm nerves, reduce blood pressure and soothe tired muscles. 10. It contains healthy fats. Rosemary is one of the few herbs that contain a decent percentage of healthy fats, offering up to 9% per 100 grams. While it is considered a low-fat flavor booster, these traces of healthy fats per teaspoon will help to keep your HDL, good cholesterol, levels in balance, and protects your heart and vital organs from acidity. For the latest health news and videos, please subscribe to this channel.